Students, today in my class, we will study how to find the position of an element in the periodic table. That is, given element belongs to which period, belongs to which group, or how many unpaired electron does it possess. Just like I mentioned two examples, lanthanum and copper. We have to give answer to which group it belongs, how many unpaired electron it possesses, to which period it belongs. Or it is S block, P block or D block element. Within 1 minute, we can easily determine to which group and to which period it belongs. At first, all of you know the periodic table is classified in 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. S block elements in which last electron goes to S orbital of valence shell. Valence means outermost shell. That's their general configuration NS2. General configuration of S block is NS122. S is the set of one orbital, minimum 1 electron or maximum 2. Next, P block, elements in which last electron goes to P orbitals of valence shell. And their general configuration is NS2NP 126. P is the set of 3 orbitals, minimum 1 and maximum 6. One orbital can have 2 electrons, 3 can occupy maximum 6. Third is D block, elements in which last electron goes to D orbital of penultimate shell. Students, for S and P block, I use the term valence shell. They are called representative elements. The last electron goes to valence shell. D block, transition metals. In D block, the last electron goes to penultimate shell. Please know, penultimate means second last. That's their general configuration. Valence shell is N, so second last N minus 1. N minus 1, D 1 to 10, NS 1 to 2. D is the set of 5 orbitals. Minimum 1 and maximum 5 to the 10. Last is F block elements in which last electron goes to F orbitals of anti-penultimate shell. Here we use the term anti-penultimate. Anti-penultimate means inner to second last, that is third last. N minus 2F 1 to 14. N minus 1D 0 to 1, NS2. That's the configuration of F block elements. F is the set of 7 orbitals. Students, it's easy. 1, 3, 5, 7, odd numbers. First 4 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7. S is the set of 1 orbital, P is the set of 3 orbitals, D is the set of 5 and F is the set of 7 orbitals. We study periodic table, that is S block, P block, D block and F block. That's your periodic table, students. Group 1 and 2, alkali metals and earth metals, these are S block elements. Group 13 to 18, these are P block elements. That's your D block, and at the bottom we have 2 series, lanthanoid and actinoid series. They are F block elements. That's their configuration, which I told you. That's the configuration of D block. Now please come here. I mentioned 4 elements. Before detecting the period and group to which they belong, at first we should know to which block they belong. Students, the answer is very easy. Only we should know the configuration. Sodium atomic number 11 is already given. For electronic configuration, we start from nearest noble gas. Neon 10, 3s1. That's the configuration of sodium. Now it is clear. It is S block, P block, D block or F block. We tick the option S block because last electron goes to S orbital. Next, aluminium. Again, nearest noble gas is neon. (3s2), 3p1, 13. The last electron goes to P subshell. In this case, we tick the option. It is P block element. After this, third is iron. Atomic number 26. The nearest noble gas is argon. Students, all of you know calcium, argon 18, 4s2. Now it is iron 26, argon 18, 4s2, 3d6. Now I am going to clear why I mentioned 4s before 3d. 4s subshell is filled prior to 3d subshell because n plus L value for 4s subshell is n is primary quantum number and L is secondary quantum number. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. And n plus L value for 3d subshell, n is 3 and d, what is the value of L for d subshell? 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. We follow Aufbau's principle. Orbitals with lower energy are filled first. That's clear. Calcium argon 18 4s2. Students, until 3d subshell is vacant, its energy is more than 4s subshell due to n plus L rule. But remember, once the electron have been filled in 3d subshell, we start filling electron in it. Either one, जैसे इसमें 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्यूपाई हो गया, its energy decrease due to greater effective nuclear charge. That's the reason I mention it here. And it is clear it is d block element. Last electron goes to d orbital of penultimate shell. We tick the option d block. Next is gadolinium. Students, gadolinium atomic number 64. We know from 58 to 71 these are lanthanoids. These are lanthanoids. Now 64 comes in this range. Nearest noble gas is xenon. For F block, students, at first we mention nearest noble gas. Then lanthanoids के लिए please at first write 4f, 5d and 6s. Last electron goes to anti-penultimate shell. They are F block elements. That's the configuration of 57 lanthanum. It is 64. 57 plus 7, 64. Now we tick the option F block because last electron goes to F orbital of anti-penultimate shell. It is S block, it is P block, it is D block, and last one is F block. Now please come to our concept, that is how to detect the period and group to which the given element belongs. Students, for any block that is either SPDF, period is always valence shell, that is maximum value of principal quantum number represents the period. Principal quantum number represents the period of the given element in the periodic table. And to detect the group, at first we should know it is S, P or D or F block. What is the short trick to find the group for S block? Number of valence S electron. Please write P block, number of P electrons, number of valence P electrons plus 12. It is P block. How many P electrons does it possess? Plus add 12. For D block, number of D electrons plus valence S electrons. It gives its group for D block. And for F block, all F block elements, either they are lanthanoids or actinoids. Students, lanthanoids, they start from 58 and proceed up to 71. Actinoids in the same way starts from atomic number 90 and proceeds up to 103. All of them by convention belongs to third group. They are in third group. Please again look here, that's the periodic table. Please come here. It's third group. Group 1 alkali metal, 2 earth metal, that is third group. 57 to 71. They are designed to which group? Third group. 57 to 71. That's the separate case, that is from 58 to 71 they are lanthanoids. But they occupy same group, third group. In the same way, actinoids start from atomic number 90, proceed up to 103 after actinium. Please look here, 89 to 103, all are in third group. It means for F block, what is our answer? Group 3. And period already mentioned you valence shell. Remember for lanthanoids 58 to 71, valence shell is 6, they belongs to 6th period. And actinoid, that is 90 to 103, direct you should know, they belongs to 7th period. Now please, these are some elements which at first we study which block to which block they belong, S, P, D or F. Now students, come to the short trick. Within 1 minute you can answer to which group it belong, to which period it belong, and how many unpaired electron it possesses. Students, please answer. period and group for sodium. You know the configuration of sodium. Now which is the valence shell? N is 3 for valence shell. It belongs to third period. To which group it belongs? What trick I told you? For S block, group is number of S electrons. How many S electrons are there? 1. It means it belongs to first group. It takes only 10 seconds and we answer. Next, aluminium. We have to mention period and group for aluminium. Students, aluminium, valence shell is third, period is valence shell, principal quantum number. Group for P block, I told you the short trick, 12 plus number of P electrons, 12 plus number of P electrons 1, 12 plus 1, 13. Within seconds again we answer. Next is iron, we have to mention its period and group. Period valence shell is 4. Group, what is the short trick for D block? Number of D electrons plus valence S electrons, 6 plus 2, 8. It belongs to 8th group. Now please come to this gadolinium. It is F block element, students. F block elements by convention, all of them are in third group. Valence shell is 6. It belongs to 6th period. Now please come to our topic. We start from this example. We have to mention to which group and to which period does these elements belongs. At first, please mention the configuration. Nearest noble gas, argon. All of you know copper configuration is exceptional. 4s1, 3d10. It belongs to which period and which group? Valence shell is 4. It belongs to 4th period. Group for D block, number of D electrons plus valence S electrons. 10 plus 1, 11. Lanthanum. At first it was difficult to find period and group. Now within second we can answer. What is its configuration? Nearest noble gas is xenon. Students, it is D block element. 6s2 5d1. Xenon 54, 6s2 5d1. To which period it belongs? Valence shell is 6. To which group it belongs? Again it is D block. Number of D electron plus valence S. 2 plus 1. It belongs to third group. Now please come to some examples. I mentioned the element vanadium. Atomic number 22. Scandium, titanium and vanadium. Sorry, atomic number 23. Scandium, titanium, vanadium. Mention configuration, but you should know the configuration of all elements in the periodic table, and it is easy. Argon 18. In my next video, I will explain how to find the configuration. Always start from nearest noble gas. 4s2 approach calcium 3d1. Students, to which period it belongs? All of you will answer 4, and it is right. To which group it belongs? It is D block, number of D electron plus valences. 2 plus 1, 3. Now I mention one more element, that is phosphorus. Group 15 element है, atomic number again 15. But we have to prove. Nearest noble gas neon, 3s2 3p1. Sorry, 3s2 3p3. 10, 12, 15. It belongs to which period? Valence shell 3. It belongs to which group? 12 plus number of p electrons, that is 15. You can easily answer in your competitive exams the given element belongs to which group, to which period, or how many unpaired electron it has. Please look here, 3p3. P is the set of 3 orbitals. 3p3, we follow Hund's rule. 1, 2, 3. Now it is clear it has 3 unpaired electron. It is clear it has only 1 unpaired electron, that is in D subshell. D1 is 1 is unpaired. Now please, for your assignment, answer me to which group and to which period does the given elements belongs. Chromium, magnesium, nickel, lutetium. I am mentioning you the atomic numbers: 24, 12, 28, Lutetium 71. That is last lanthanoid. Lanthanoids all belongs to, third group. Please mention to which group and to which period does these elements belong. Thank you.